Welcome to the AmazingRibs.com virtual showroom. This is part 1, a walk around and inspection of Napoleon's Phantom P500 gas grill with me, Max Good. You can read part 2, an in-depth review of all the strengths and weaknesses after running temperature tests and cooking on it on AmazingRibs.com at the link in this video. This cooker was sent to us by the manufacturer. Please note that we don't charge to review products. When we're done testing, manufacturers sometimes pick them up, sometimes we give them to fire departments or charities, but we never sell them. Here we have the popular Napoleon Phantom P500. When this thing came out, they couldn't even keep them in stock. Then we got hit with that crazy pandemic, and all the manufacturers were scrambling trying to fill orders. But years later, we finally got a Phantom, and we're going to take a look at it. Sure is striking, huh? All the control knobs have battery-powered lights that turn on with this switch. Blue light shows the burners aren't lit. Red light shows they are. Let's start with the right side shelf. You see the subtle, elegant design. A condiment tray is built in with a couple small tool hooks front and back. And this shelf can fold down if you like. The left side shelf won't fold down, but check out this powerful ceramic infrared burner. Talk about two zones. And you can see somebody couldn't wait to try it. It is mighty nice, and I can tell you, it works as advertised. Searing hot. Let's go around the back. There's a grease tray for this sear burner that slides out the bottom. One battery-powered igniter for all burners. Here's the control knob for the ceramic infrared burner. And this one is for the rotisserie back burner. Phantom comes with a rotisserie spit and motor, which we're eager to try. Napoleon has an unusual configuration of heat tents. They're staggered in height. The lower ones go over the burners. Then there's a higher one between each burner for heat diffusion. We got 4 swivel locking casters, a double door cart. This big gap is kind of irritating. They had some instruction about how to close it up, but that's the best we could do. The LP gas tank goes in the cart. And there's a battery pack for the lights and ignition. Let's take one of those heat tents off to show you the grease tray. All grease and gunk is funneled into a removable foil pan. You can get at it from inside the cart for easy disposal. Here's Napoleon's characteristic wavy cooking grates. And the grates on this model are cast stainless steel. Wow, they're heavy and solid. Looks like they could last a long time. This is pretty wild. The warming rack. These notches are for hanging drumsticks. Some kind of searing slots here. Jalapeno poppers pop in here. All stainless steel. I had to bring it out so you could get a good look. Slide it in place. You see how those legs would hang. And there it is, the Napoleon Phantom. Looking good all in all. Let's get cooking! Part 2 of our review is a hands-on detailed report on AmazingRibs.com at the link in the video. For more virtual showroom videos, cooking demonstrations, and everything you need to know about outdoor cooking, please subscribe to our email newsletter, Smoke Signals. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on Facebook. Be sure to check out Meathead's amazing rubs and sauce. Or best of all, try a free 30-day trial membership in our Pitmaster Club. Because AmazingRibs.com is the biggest, baddest barbecue website in the universe.